Have you been looking for a secure and reliable door entry system that doesn't require a lot of creativity, that is trusted by users all over the place? In this video, I'm going to cover two door entry systems, one with basic features and one with more advanced features, and I'm going to include wiring diagrams and practical visuals that will show you exactly how these kits are wired for typical installs. Hi folks, I'm Andrew with Viking Electronics. We manufacture security and communications products in Hudson, Wisconsin, and on this channel we bring you tech knowledge, product info, and the latest industry trends. So be sure to subscribe if you are not already and click the bell to make sure you get notifications for every video. The first kit I have for you is made up of the E-30, an optional VE-5X5, and the SRC-1. When a visitor comes to the door and presses the call button on the E-30 comes off hook through the SRC-1 and grabs the phone line. If there's a busy signal or there's no answer, then the E-30 will roll to up to 5 different numbers until the call is answered. And once the call is answered, a two-way conversation can take place, and the called party inside can decide if they want to let me in, the visitor in, by pressing ***. The E-30 requires a single pair to the SRC-1. The phone line or the analog extension from a phone system will connect to the SRC-1's line input. From the relay, wire in the door strike or maglock power, and then wire that to the door strike. The SRC-1 also includes a power supply that is a standard 120 volt AC wall wart type power supply. You can also share the door strike's power with the SRC-1. Kit number 2 is made up of the K-1775-3 door entry phone, the C-500 door entry controller, the ES-1 proximity credential controller, an optional VE-6x7 surface mount box, and the PRX-FOB. The K-1775-3 has 4 components to it. The phone portion is very similar to that of a standard analog phone. The keypad produces touch tones, which can be used for keyless entry. The onboard camera is an analog CCTV camera, and the proximity reader is a 4-wire connection. It is a 26-bit Wiegand reader. The K-1775-3 will connect to the C-500 using a single pair of cables, and when the call button on the K-1775-3 is pressed, the C-500 will dial a pre-programmed number, and if you decide you want to let the visitor in, you can press ***. Now the C-500 has 2 channels. There are 2 relays that are controlled separately, so it knows which phone is in use and it will activate the relay associated with that door phone. The camera on the K-1775-3 is rammed back typically to a DVR, to an NVR with a converter, or directly to a monitor on a desk. The camera is running all the time, and if someone inside sees a visitor approach the door, the person inside can initiate a call to silently monitor the area to find out what they're doing. They can speak to the visitor, and they can also activate the relay. The proximity reader on the K-1775-3 connects to the ES-1 using 2 pairs of a Cat5 cable. Credentials are programmed into the ES-1, and when an accurate credential is read at the K-1775-3, the ES-1 will fire a relay. That relay on the ES-1 is a dry relay. It will be connected to the C-500's request to exit input to cause the C-500 to activate the door. Viking does offer 3 common credential types: the PRX-FOB, the PRX-C, which is your typical corporate badge style credential, and the PRX-C-ISO, which is more of a credit card sized credential. Question of the day: what did you take from this video? What is the most valuable takeaways that you can apply? Let us know in the comment section down below, and also check out the description section where you can find the product manuals for the products listed in this video, as well as Viking Electronics contact information. I also want to highlight that we have a playlist here. If we've made a video on one of the products in the kit, it is in this playlist. Be sure to check that out if you are interested in learning more about one of these products. And if you are new here, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell to get all of our notifications when we release a new video. Thank you to all of our current subscribers. I'm Andrew with Viking Electronics. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.